Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your Mr. Cool Mini Split to Wi-Fi. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your system remotely from your smartphone or integrate it with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. Preparation. Before starting, make sure you have everything ready. 1. Wi-Fi network information. Ensure you have access to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Mr. Cool systems typically don't support 5 GHz networks. 2. Smartphone or tablet. Download the Smart HVAC app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. 3rd, power on the unit. Ensure your Mr. Cool Mini Split is powered on and running in normal mode. Download and install the Smart HVAC app. 1. Open your device's App Store and search for Smart HVAC app. 2. Download and install the app. 3. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile. Pairing the Mr. Cool Mini Split with Wi-Fi. 1. Activate Wi-Fi mode on the unit. Using the remote control, press the LED or Wi-Fi button, depending on your model, until the Wi-Fi indicator light on the indoor unit starts blinking. This means the unit is ready to pair. 2. Connect the app to the Mini Split. Open the Smart HVAC app. Tap the Add Device button. Select your device type, usually labeled as air conditioner or Mini Split in the app. Follow the instructions on the app to connect to your unit. This typically involves selecting your unit's Wi-Fi network from your phone's settings. Enter Wi-Fi details. The app will prompt you to enter your home Wi-Fi network name and password. Ensure you input these correctly. 4. Wait for connection. The app will connect the unit to your Wi-Fi network. This can take up to 2 to 3 minutes. Once connected, the Wi-Fi indicator on the unit will stop blinking and remain solid. Subscribe, leave a comment, and smash the like bar. Testing and using the app. First, test remote control. Use the app to adjust the temperature, fan speed, or mode. You should see your commands reflected on the unit. Second, smart home integration. If you use Alexa or Google Home, link the Smart HVAC app to your smart home platform via the app's settings. Follow the prompts to enable voice control. 3. Troubleshooting. If the connection fails, ensure you're on a 2.4 GHz network and that your Wi-Fi signal is strong near the unit. Reset the Wi-Fi on the unit by holding the Wi-Fi button on the remote for 5 seconds and try the process again. Tips for a smooth experience. Keep firmware updated. Periodically check for firmware updates in the app to ensure smooth performance. Monitor signal strength. If your unit struggles to stay connected, consider a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Multiple users. Share access with family members by adding their accounts in the app. And there you have it. Your Mr. Cool Mini Split is now connected to Wi-Fi. With remote control and smart home integration, managing your home's comfort has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.